Roberto is landing. There we go. Ain't nothing burning on that landing. Well, we got the sun going down, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with staying a little late. You get the best weather then.
Where the fuck is you at?
You get the best weather when you fly later.
Where the fuck is you at?
Man,
I don't see no airplane.
it's at the end.
Oh, wait,
Dude, I like that nose high part.
yeah, it actually almost goes that high altitude. Yeah, I know. I wanted to do it the last time.
Hello, boys. No pizza.
Oh, wow. A-10 time. Wow. Almost flush.
Yeah. And it actually worked really good on his.
Wow.
I've moved mine up a little bit, but not that much.
I suppose I could have mixed up a little bit.
Nah, I think you did it. Yours are right. You took a gamble and it paid off.
Yeah. I was like, I don't know.
He's shooting. Blackjack.
Come on, shooter.
You and that damn tape, Brandon.
You lie, whatever works, right? Exactly. It's probably gonna be, that's probably gonna be 20%.
21.
You say 21?
21. You want to go left? Yeah, I'd rather walk down. I'm glad we all came out today. This is, I mean, I'd have been bummed if, I noticed that. Lenny was here?
Yeah, I was busier than I thought.
Regular day?
I was expecting to come here and have just like a field to myself. Turns out a whole bunch of people were here.
Okay.
So, mostly old guys who don't work.
The OGs.
Maybe when I'm retired I can do that too. Just fly all day. Alright.
Do some. Are you flying the 6,000?
No, I'm flying 5,000.
Woo!
China clear.
25.3. Dang, what'd you do to that pack, man?
I get in charge of 25 so.
Jeez, what the hell? Doesn't hurt them? It probably hurts their overall health.
It's not enough, it's just a little bit over the top.
Okay.
It's like 4.23, so
Oh, that's not bad.
so times 6, it's like
Yeah, so it adds that. That's over.
Yeah.
That's over a volt. That's a couple volts.
0.18. So instead of 25.2. No, you're right.
It's over a volt.
It's about a volt.
You're right, you're right, you're right.
0.3 times 6.
Yeah, it's like 68.
1.8. 1.8.
Yeah, you're right. It's 78.
Come on, man. You're the engineer with all that freaking PhD and shit. You can't even do that.
Actually, don't count for shit. Alright, let's go.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Right there. I got my gear up. I got it up quick. So I'm on it now, baby.
When I come close.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna pull up. Pull up.
I'm right behind you.
And
That's where I noticed the difference in your thrust.
Where?
When you climb up like that. Because you just went right over. I had to fight it.
We have the same setup.
No. I mean the way that the angle,
Time remaining.
thrust
3
angle.
minutes.
Yours did what you wanted. I had to fight mine.
Oh, I see.
See, watch. See, I'm having to fight mine down.
Oh, interesting. Mine
Yeah.
just goes.
Yours goes.
And
It goes
it's
where you
very
want.
effortless.
Yeah.
Whip it.
Mine, I have to force it. I'll be behind you.
It's cool that bag. It's like 21.6.
No, it's over 100 amps. It's like 110 amps. 100 amps are the equalizer, man. If your battery is high C, it doesn't matter. If it can't do over 100 amps, it ain't
Time
nothing.
remaining. 2 minutes.
The heavy duties are usually pretty good with it. But
Just do a nice synchronized low pass. I'm gonna be further side.
okay, let me get closer. Go ahead and do your turn, and I'll shoot ahead of you. See, I'm ahead of you now, though. Damn, pinche pizza pan! Let's stay locked in, and then I'll do it again. Do it!
I'm gonna start turning down.
The air's cold. I got ahead again. Yeah, it does.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Alright, I'm diving.
30 seconds.
I remember. Do not fly over the damn timer on this plane. It will bite your ass. I think I'm already.
Time remaining. 14
Yeah,
seconds.
I'm coming
Gear
in.
down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Landing flaps. 1. Time expired.
Yep.
Right, quick.
So you can come in. I'm gonna go all the way to the end. That could have been better. Yeah, like that. Well, you're going 90 freaking miles an hour. Pizza. Pull that thing out.
Flaps up.
Back out here when?
Oh, not till the weekend.
Oh, dude, I'm doing that big old rib cook-off Saturday.
I don't come on Saturday.
You will?
I don't.
I got friggin' 10 pounds of pork.
Oh, man. Don't do that to me,
Smoked
Bob.
for friggin' 16 hours.
Don't do that to me, Bob.
That's fucking bad.
Ah! You're killing me.
Killing me, Smalls. Dude, that was crazy.
Whipping it.